What's the meaning of C.S. Forester? C.S. Forester. C.S. Forester.
C.S. Forester. C.S. Forester. C.S. Forester was a British novelist who wrote primarily about naval warfare during the Napoleonic Wars. His most famous character is Horatio Hornblower, a fictional Royal Navy officer who appears in a series of 12 novels. Forester's works are known for their attention to historical detail and gripping storytelling, and have been adapted into numerous films and television series. Overall, C.S. Forester was a highly acclaimed author in his field, and his legacy continues to inspire readers and writers alike.